Adam,
What's up, man?
dude, you ready to see your truck?
Super
Came out sick. You're gonna love it.
Sweet. Hell yeah, dude. This truck looks sick, dude. Thank you. That looks killer. Hell yeah. That looks great. They called me. I thought I won like 10% off, like something, you know, and I'm like, okay, well, what'd I win? And then so like $5,000 towards, I thought it was just towards a new truck. Yeah, I already had the 18 Ram. I literally paid nothing for all that. And honestly, like, I didn't even have the money to do it. It was like the coolest thing I've ever won, seriously.